Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, Asher College Las Vegas is offering free flu shots on January 25th. The flu season is in full swing, and Asher College is working to help fight the spread of disease in the community. Asher College is partnering with Walgreens Pharmacy to host a free flu clinic at Asher College's Las Vegas campus on Thursday, January 25th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. The free flu shots will be administered to the first 100 people by the Walgreens pharmacist and pharmacy technician on a first-come, first-served basis. The flu season typically runs from October to May, peaking in the December and February months. According to the United States Center for Disease Control, the flu has spread to most of the nation, with states such as Nevada experiencing high and intensive flu activity. The flu has already claimed multiple lives, and the United States may be experiencing one of the most severe seasons in recent history. Mary Jane De La Cruz is the pharmacy technician instructor at Asher College. She told us that the best option for avoiding the flu is to get the flu shot. According to her, the flu is highly contagious and everyone is at risk. De La Cruz expressed that Asher College wants to encourage the Las Vegas community to stay healthy and urges everyone to attend the flu clinic to take advantage of this free preventative health service. Founded in 1998, Asher College is an accredited career college specializing in information technology, administrative health services, and business administration certificate and associate of applied science degree programs. For more information, call 888-211-8829 or visit the website asher.edu. And to learn more about this video news release, visit prreach.com.